first. A lot of this window is going to be hidden, so we actually don't have to really clean it up at all. We got these here, but that's not going to be a problem. That will be hidden. So I'll put these on. That's pretty much all the window you see right there. Now it's time to consider the non-street side of this building. When this building was built, there was another building where this parking lot is now, and so as a result, this side of the building is blank. And so I have to consider what I'm going to do on the model, since I'm pretty much going to have the same thing, a building there. So let's see what I can do. So this is the street side of the building, which is characterized by these pillars here, these ornate pillars. And so it's fully detailed all the way down. Whereas this is the sort of the middle block part of the building, which doesn't have the ornateness here. And it has sort of this back alley look to the bottom floor there. There's a door that goes in there. It managed to miss the painting session, so this could be part of the pickup painting session I'm going to do. That'll fit there. And then there's this roll-up door pattern that fits here, which I believe is not era accurate for what I'm doing, but I intend to have a building blocking this anyway. And then this is the back of the building. There's no ornate pillars. And then like the Robinson Watts building, I would like to kind of blank these out here on the bottom. So I'm going to use some styrene, and I'll just use the styrene to blank that out. But on this one here, I might use this panel. We have this panel here with these double doors, and I might use those since it kind of lines up with what I'm trying to do, where this portion here, the first quarter, is the foyer, and then this center section here is the elevator lobby, and then this final quarter here, or is this thirds? I guess this is thirds. Is the stairwell, and these doors line up where the stairwell would be, and so they would make some fine emergency exits. So I think that is the plan. So I'll cut the styrene the same size as this panel here. So let's see what I can get here. Jesus. Ay, ay, ay. All right, I'll let that sit there until it dries. These are the fire exit doors. I thought I would put this, blank out this wall, and I thought I'd put in these doors here, but I also want to blank out these windows. So I cut out piece of styrene to fit there. There we go. So I want to blank out the sidewalk portion of the plate glass windows here. So I masked them off, and I will put some primer on there, and then we'll put some ivory on there, and it should look good. Mask off the rest of these. With how this paint turned out. Now it's time to seal it. And I'll be using this Vallejo Ultramatte polyurethane varnish. Alright, painting is done and sealed. And so now it's time put in the glass windows, and you can even see those. There's a lot of There's a lot of glass windows. Bags and bags of glass windows. So we are ready for windows. Some of these castings have flash that's preventing the glass from laying down flat. So I just need to go in there with a file and then to file down flat. Okay, so when it comes to the windows, I'm going to start with these ones we painted. And there we go, the glass is in. At this point, we could just stick to the stock curtains that came with the kit, but I think you know me better than that. To really capture the look of a medical professional building, I'll be going custom by designing my own window treatments from scratch. So click the next video and we'll take a deep dive into what a medical office windows actually look like and how to recreate them. All right, see you then.